Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you one lovely autumn day of my skating. Firstly, I had, so to say, pre-skating. Then I've done my first ramp drop-in. Then again and again and again and again. I skated on the ramp, did some tricks and of course captured it on the camera. After that, I trained my ollie. Then I decided to make it more difficult, so I jumped on the ramp with ollie. Then I did fake ollie and other different tricks. Show it, fake show it, fake a big spin, no comply. But the biggest struggle has ahead. A few days ago I did kickflip. Now I should do it in a move. Just a million times.
Вау.
Как же я заебался
Вау.
нахуй, бля, нереальный трюк.
2 banana clips and they taped up. Cut the stove on and let it cake up. Hit it with the cold water till it lock up. Hot water make it lock a little faster. I'm so slaughter gang, I'm praying to my dagger. Started rapping for the money, I'm a trapper. Internet thug, he a gangster on Apple. Way too many diamonds, put my chains on backwards. Dang, ain't no disrespect.
I was kind of exhausted, just an unreal trick. It was extremely hot. I felt obliterated. All my legs were bruised. I was so close to do the trick, but I couldn't.
A lot of hit songs, but I drop shit. Nigga put some money on my head, cause I take shit. Put some ass shots.
It's just a completely fucking shit, but not a trick.
Like a little faster. I'm so slaughter gang, I'm praying to my dagger. Started rapping for the money, I'm a trapper. Internet thug.
There is my the best attempt. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe on my channel.
Ain't no disrespect.